In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Trello to Zapier in a quick and simple step-by-step process. Once your accounts are connected, you'll be able to automate tasks between Trello and your other apps, save time, and make your workflow a lot smoother. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier website, look for the App Connection section. This is where Zapier lets you manage all the apps connected to your account. Click on App Connections to continue. Next, you'll want to create a new connection. Click on Create Connection, and Zapier will open a page where you can search for the app you want to connect. In the search box, type Trello. Zapier will start showing results as soon as you enter the name. When Trello appears in the list, click on Trello to select it. This tells Zapier that you want to set up a connection specifically for your Trello account. After that, click on Add Connection. This begins the authorization process between Trello and Zapier. At this point, Zapier will ask you to sign in and connect your account. Go ahead and click Connect, then log in to the Trello account you want to use. If you're already signed in, Zapier may skip some of these steps and take you directly to the permission screen. Either way, just follow the prompts carefully and approve the connection when asked. Once you've logged in and granted access, Zapier will finish linking Trello to your account. That means Zapier can now work with your Trello boards, cards, and workflows depending on the automation you build later. If everything is connected properly, you should see confirmation that the connection was successful. And that's it. You've now connected Trello to Zapier. From here, you can start creating automations, triggering actions, and building workflows that help you stay organized and save time every day. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.